I searched for how to buy shares of CIE Automotive S.A. to show a practical example. CIE Automotive S.A. is a Spanish automotive components maker listed on CBOE EU under the ticker CIE.MC. This is an educational demonstration and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CIE.MC to find the company listing. Select the matching CIE Automotive S.A. entry to open its stock page. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to understand current trading. Confirm the listing shows CIE Automotive S.A. with ticker CIE.MC, so you have the correct asset. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading resumes. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming the trade. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. For more details, the link to eToro is available in the description.